Oh, hi, Sally.
Hey, Sally.
Hi, Sally.
I feel like making something sweet and healthy.
Always healthy. Healthy is better for you.
What's on your mind, Sally? That's a great idea, Sally. Give me a high five.
Hey, kids. My name is Aya. And I'm Muhammad.
And she is
Hi, Nan.
Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious, and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients, while keeping the same great taste.
In the last video, we made chocolate pudding and whipping cream.
Today, we are making pizzelles, which are Italian waffle cookies, using Chef's Choice Waffle Cone Maker.
We are very excited to try it out. Before we begin, make sure to wash your hands or wear gloves. And make sure to subscribe, like, and share.
And for the ingredients we need, 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup of organic raw cane sugar, 2 teaspoons of non-alcoholic vanilla extract, 1 stick of grass-fed butter, 1 3/4 cup of almond flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We are substituting almond flour for regular flour because
It's gluten-free, high in healthy fats, and fiber.
first we are going to add the eggs and sugar and mix with the handheld mixer for a good 2 or 3 minutes. Then add the vanilla extract and the butter and beat until it's blended. Then sift together 1 cup of almond flour and the baking soda. Mix all the ingredients and fold together until fully blended. Then add the remaining 3/4 cup of flour and fold.
You can also make this a bit chocolatey by adding 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
Now we are going to place 1 tablespoon in the waffle cone maker and leave for about 40 to 50 seconds. We also have the color setting on 4, not too light or dark. These are the end results.
We made
Small and large ice cream waffle cones. These are the ones with cocoa. Cannolis dipped in chocolate. We also made bowls and flat pizzelles. And taco pizzelles. And for the toppings and fillings we have chocolate pudding, whipping cream, and chocolate syrup.
We have these linked below.
We will be showing you how to make the sprinkles in future videos, as well as for the
Simple, delicious, and healthy cheesecake filling.
Bismillah.
Thank you so much for making these sweets for me.
You're welcome, Sally. It was all your idea.
I love that we can eat sweets that are delicious and healthy.
Healthy's the best.
Yes, and the best part is it's simple, it's delicious, and it's healthy.
How can we ever stop? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you would like to see in future videos. And as always, simple, delicious, and healthy.
Like making something sweet and healthy.
Of course, Sally. Everything's healthy. Everything's healthy.
Oh, hi, Sally.
Hey, Sally.
Hi, Sally.
What's on your head, Sally? 3 large eggs. And of course, blah, blah, blah. That was terrible. That was so terrible. Delete that right now.
There we go. Full moon,
As well as for the cheesecake filling.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey kids! My name is Aya.
And I'm 100.
And she is